Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And also, today, I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I've just gone lazy. No, I'm just kidding. But today, we're going to be shooting bird bangers with this. Bird bangers with this. So, how it works is you see these tiny little things full of gunpowder. If you look right here, so it's like that, right? And you want to open it up, and you see that hole right there? You want to put the tip of it like that so the gas can escape in the gunpowder right in that hole that I showed you guys. So you want to put it in that hole like that, right? And then, oh crap, I'm going to fire it off just to show you how loud. You want to wear eye and ear protection. And then, but what you do is see the black dot at the end of the metal part? You want to put that in the barrel, that part when you're firing it off. All right, but this is it without the bird boomer, whatever. Sometimes it's a dud. Ouch! I felt a piece of that hit my face. Holy crap! That's how loud it is. Yeesh! Well, one sec. I just gotta grab my mom. Come on.
Very loud.
Come on. Mom, no, you can't play that music. Can you be copyright?
Okay, did you pause it?
No. One sec. I have to pause it, and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Takes 2 times. Holy crap! Holy frick! Did you catch that? But sadly, because that didn't work out, because my mom didn't quite catch it, here's the gun.
Wait.
Alright, let me try to get it in camera view. Are you ready?
Ready.
Sorry, it takes 2 tries. So sorry, guys. Are you ready?
Ready.
Here goes nothing. Holy crap, that was on the ground. That shook my entire body.